So what's up, y'all? We at Kia of High Point today, and we're just coming in to look at the K5. Now, this K5 is exclusive. The technology is techy. I'll go in depth later on about all the cool features that it offers and the packages that you can get. I really want the GT version, but that does not come out until the end of this month. I am just amazed at how good this car looks.
Even the dealership.
Wow, it is smooth. That new car smell just gets me every time.
Yeah.
Gee. Oh my God. Got a place where you can put your phone. Oh. Yeah. My bad. Ooh, wee. This thing. Oh, okay, Lord. Ooh. Kia. Well, first off, we turn that off. I might want to hear that yelling. Copyright reasons, too. Let's go ahead and, you already know. See what this thing working with.
And we in sport.
Hey, this thing, hey.
It floats.
This thing get up a little bit. It's pulling me back into my lane. Guys, this thing is driving itself. It's driving itself. Let's check this out. This feature right here. Oh my Jesus, Josh, show them the steering wheel. Look at this. Look at this.
Bro, put your hand on the wheel.
I don't have to.
Oh my God.
I'm driving.
Oh my God.
I'm driving without.
We're in. What are you doing?
This is crazy.
That's dangerous.
Hey, it's 2021.
I'm just playing, guys.
Look at the. Yo, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look.
And we going around the curve.
Look at this. This is crazy. This car is driving itself.
Look.
That's supposed to be Tesla.
Oh my God.
Look. Hands off.
Oh my God.
Yo. That is crazy. I am in.
Sport. Ooh.
That thing get up. Don't even what's wrong with Hey, this is a very great car for the price range. Like it's equipped with stuff that's in Genesis and Jaguars and Mercedes. I have yet to drive a car that drives itself besides a Tesla. Now this is just, I am just beyond amazed. Yo,
Is that HD?
4K.
This might as well be recording this.
Yeah. Wow.
We're using 4K.
4K.
Y'all about to hear this.
Yeah. This thing, hey. This is intense.
Pretty loud. It's pretty loud.
Yeah.
We did not adjust this.
Did it just turn it down for me?
Yeah, it does that.
What?
Volvo does that.
I was expecting it to be a good car. But this thing is great. This is a great car. It's like very versatile. Got your nice stuff.
What did he say the price was again?
$25,000. $25,000 for this car. This is undoubtedly at least $50,000 worth of stuff.
No. I wouldn't say 50.
50?
I'd say 30.
Let me tell you right now, the Genesis G70 that I was looking into, it has all this stuff, but not as much as it's not as techy. Of course it looks. I mean, this thing looks good too, though. You gotta admit, this stuff looks real good.
I would not say this would
okay,
be
I'm sorry, not 50, but this is around at least 40. Come on now, the stuff that's equipped. It has a freaking heads-up display. It has the thing up here where it has stuff that's only in $50,000 cars.
Scat packs are 40.
Okay, but I'm talking.
You would put this up there.
I'm talking. I'm not performance-wise. I'm talking technology-wise.
For the price, you gotta add in all that, bro.
It gets up. You see, it gets up.
It gets up. But
of course, but you also got to think about the name. This is again just a Kia. That's why it's.
Don't do Kia.
It's
like
just
that,
a Kia. No, it is.
Kia.
This is not a Mercedes. This is not a.
It's not.
This is not a Audi.
You're right.
It's a Kia. This is a very high class Kia for its price. Very high. I honestly think Kia lowballed this one. This is a very good car.
Well, my opinion is it's 2021. All cars are gonna start getting like this. Well, not like this, but more techy.
True.
Which is gonna bring the price down.
That is true.